Hey guys, welcome back to another Great Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and the new S24 series, should I say. There's the 24, the Plus, and the Ultra, and how you can get a really good discount on Boost Mobile. A lot of people actually sleep on Boost Mobile, but you guys know this channel does mainly revolve around Boost Mobile and tech and all that other stuff and other news. But let's get into it, guys. It says, not this deal. We're going to go down a little bit. So here we go. It says our latest deals, and they still have it going on. Samsung Galaxy S24 series available now as low as $600. Yes, guys, that is actually cheaper than the retail price with our $60 unlimited plan. So what can that $60 plan get you? So there's other plans and everything on here. There it is. So it's unlimited talk, text, and data. Unlimited data. They do consider unlimited data. Let me see if it will show it up here. No, they won't. They do consider it 30 gigs or 35 gigs of data. So, but with this, you do get unlimited talk, text, and data. Although Mexico included, so you can call Mexico and all that stuff. Free SIM. So, like I said, I thought it said it down here where I will show you how much data, but I don't know. Maybe they hide it now. But like I said, that's considered like 30 or 35 gigs of data, which is not bad at all. Like I said, sorry, my voice. Here it is. Yep, 30 gigs of data is what you'll get. That's considered unlimited data. So, sorry, like I said, I'm still getting over this cough. I don't know, some virus going on. Of course, they will work on either T-Mobile or AT&T's network. Me personally, when I've tried this, I've gotten AT&T, but it says automatically switch between our own network and 2 other 5G networks for the best call quality and most reliable data connection around. So that might be very cool. Check it out, guys. It will switch either between the Dish network, the Boost Mobile side, which, like I said, it's either AT&T or a T-Mobile. So whichever one is pretty cool. So it's actually kind of doing what Google Fi used to do. But enough of that. Let's get into the actual phone. That's hard. All right, so let's get into it, guys. Like I said, let's go ahead and click buy now. As you can see, they do give you quite a bit of discounts. They do give it to you mainly on the S24, not the Plus or the Ultra, but hey, you know, Boost Mobile usually does have really good promos that they do come up with. Of course, it says the Galaxy S24, like I said, it's $800. You get it for $600, $200 discount, which is a really nice phone. Of course, S24 Plus, it's still $1,000, and the 24 Ultra is $1,300. So if we go right here, let's go and see what it is. Of course, you can get insurance for $12. Of course, you can say I don't want protection, but this is for the 128 gig variant. Marble, they do have the marble gray, the yellow, or the black, it looks like. So pretty cool. As you can see, very nice. Does have AI and everything. This phone, you get a 6.2-inch screen, a 50 megapixel camera, 35 hours of talk time, Android 14. So it's pretty cool. Galaxy S24 does have kind of like the iPhone kind of vibe to it. Of course, it's a little bit more square now. Of course, with AI. Never be lost in translation again. So, of course, it does translate the calls. So it says speak foreign languages on the spot right from inside the Samsung phone app and live translation. Pretty sweet stuff, I would say. 50 megapixel high-res photos, 8K video, 30 times space zoom. So high resolution near or far. Watch anything in any light with a 2600 nit brightness, which is very bright, guys. So like I said, for $600, guys, you're getting a steal at this price. Definitely worth it, especially if you sign up through Boost Mobile. So pretty cool. More storage, more memories. You know, you can get up to 1 terabyte, I believe, on this. The Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy AI is here. Of course, you can actually compare, which is real nice. We can actually compare all 3, which is nice thanks to Boost Mobile. So S24 Plus and the Ultra. So you do get a full HD, Quad HD, Quad HD. It's just 6.2 inch, 6.7, 6.8, 50 megapixels, 200 megapixels on the Ultra. Fast charging. Does have slower charging, up to 50% in 30 minutes. These are 65. Enhanced armor aluminum, titanium on the Ultra. Of course, built-in S Pen, only the Ultra does have it. So not bad at all. So says, of course, you can transfer all your information via the Smart Switch app. Very nice app through Samsung. I do love theirs. I still think Apple with their iCloud is 100% better. but you know, because this is only if you have another phone. So with iCloud, if it gets lost, stolen, or something happens to it, you just log in through your iCloud and you can, you know, get all your stuff back, which is pretty sweet. Video chat, of course, is nice with Teams. It used to be what was that? Google Duo, I think. Now it's called Team Meets or something like that. So you can do all that. Here's the main specs: 4,000 milliamp battery. Like I said, it's a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED, 2 times Full HD plus. Does have the Snapdragon 8th Gen 3 for Galaxy octa-core, up to a 3.4 gigahertz. Does operate Android. It's a 5.9 ounces. 50 megapixel camera is the main one. 12 megapixel ultra wide. 10 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel selfie. 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of ROM, and or 256. So this one is either 128 or 256. The Ultra is the one that can go to 1 terabyte. So 5G, 4G, USB 3.2, Gen 1, Bluetooth, NFC, or Wi-Fi 6E. So overall, pretty nice stuff. Like I said, in the box you do get the phone, C2C cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions, the SIM injection pin as well. So overall, they have really nice stuff. Like I said, you can't go wrong with any of these. Like I said, if you do want the better one, which could be the Ultra, I mean, like I said, she ain't cheap, guys. It does start at 256 gigs. It says protection on this thing's 15, just because of probably cost. They only have the Violet actually right now, which is weird, but I don't know. I guess that's the only one they have currently in stock. Real nice. I mean, you know, AI and everything. Of course, with this pen, you can do you can search things like, hey, where can I get this book bag? Translation, bring details out of the darkness. So it's pretty nice. It does have different AI things. Like I said, 200 megapixels is the main camera. It's really nice brightness. The brightness has always been top notch. Doing notes is always better and easier on it. So overall, I think, like I said, for the price, guys, you can't beat it. I would say, yeah, go for it if you're thinking about it. Like I said, now you're having Boost Mobile and their 3 networks. So it's pretty sweet. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully this video was informative. Hopefully I'm getting my voice finally back. Sorry, it's been, like I said, I've been sick. There's something going around, yeah, so getting better from it. But remember, you do have to get it on the $60 plan to save $200. It's definitely worth it. Get it. But check out the description below, guys, to support the channel. More videos coming your way. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, it does help. I'll try to get more into it. Just been very busy lately with work and life and everything. So thank you, guys. Take care.